In this video, I will show you how to create and share a Google Sheet on WhatsApp or through email ID. So firstly, log in your Google account and click these dots. Scroll down and click on this Google. Here guys, you will see some ready to use templates. Now here click on this plus icon to create a new Google Sheet. Now here you can use and you can create as your need. We are using Google Excel, so it's a similar Excel with some different features. And once you done your Google Sheets, so click on share. Name before sharing, give your this Google Sheet any name, then click on save. Now here guys, you can select any option, restricted or anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can view, comment or edit. So you can select as your requirement, then click on done. Copy the link and paste on your WhatsApp or email ID. So open email ID, compose, enter the address where you want to share this ID and Google Sheets. And paste the link. Then click on send. So this is the way guys you can create and share a Google Sheet on WhatsApp or through email ID. Similar way, just copy and paste on your WhatsApp where you want to share this Google Sheets. So thanks for watching. If you are facing any error, so just comment, I will reply it.